I'm going to be showing you how I use my husband's air compressor to get some of my housework done. You must be thinking, wow, your house is in really bad shape. But you know what? I live on a farm. There's a lot of dirt. We use a wood burning heater, so there's a lot of ashes. And I also have 2 dogs and a cat that lives in the house, so there's a lot of extra hair. So you can imagine, I do need some help cleaning some of my appliances and getting the dirt out of things like my vacuums and fans and heaters and stuff like that. So y'all come along and y'all going to get to see some of my dirt. It may be a little embarrassing for me, but you may learn something. So come along. And welcome back to Louisiana Homestead. Today I'm going to be doing some oddball cleaning in a different kind of way. I've got my heaters that need blowing out, and I have a few other things that just get dusty. There's the air compressor. That's what I'm going to be using to clean them with. Okay, I'm going to turn that off for just a second so I can talk and y'all can hear me. I've got some things lined up here that I want to clean. These little electric heaters, they blow hot air out, which means they're also sucking air in, which is dirty air a lot of times. It's got dust particles in it. You see all that dust on there? And then in the back, it's full of dust too. This one got some dust also. It needs to be cleaned. This one, the same thing, needs to be cleaned. And this is a fan that I keep behind my heater, and it's got a lot of dust on it. And I find the best way to clean them is with the air compressor. And this is an air cleaner I have in the house, and it also needs to be cleaned out. You see the dirt and dust on it. And I got a dog here in the house, so it can get pretty bad. All right, I'm going to go on ahead and set this camera up and start cleaning these. Okay, I got them blown out. Obviously, everybody wouldn't choose this method to clean these appliances, but I don't know how else to clean them. I mean, I can wipe them down on the outside and make them sparkling clean, but the insides of them, I mean, you can wipe the outside down all you want. That inside of them still gonna have all that dust that y'all just seen come out of them. Now, obviously, I know there's delicate parts inside of these appliances. When I plug them back in, I'm gonna be watching them very carefully. And the heater, that little heater that I did last, was the worst one because it was the oldest and I hadn't blown it out ever. And I probably had it at least 2 years for sure. So you've seen all the dust that came out of it, but there was no way that I could unscrew it. I did check that. There was no way I could undo it, so I just blew it out like that. So I'm gonna be watching it. I noticed that that little heater hadn't been heating as well lately. And it's because it's been so clogged up is what I think. But I'm gonna be watching it very carefully, and I'm not gonna be leaving it plugged in and unattended. Now, I'm not saying you should clean your appliances the way that I did. I'm just showing you what I did. That was my idea of how to clean them the best way I could. Now, I have been cleaning my little air purifier like that for years, and it works great. I clean my vacuums like that too, y'all. Take them apart and clean them with that air compressor. That works really good too. That's all I'm doing today, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment of how you clean your appliances, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.